just like the man where rap grave, man grave. Why you wanna see your brother down, rap grave? I did no Rolex, me no watch face. If you
had the man say I did no Rolex. We are no watch face, dog. Bumbleclad. And that he was saying me, me say, yo, man a Rolex. Me say now watch no man face. You now watch no man then basically. You see me say now watch nobody else like do. If you don't understand the lyrics, I'm try to put forth to you. Bumbleclad. Yo, me say if you don't like that tune, you dog, want to see BFI emoji right now in the comment section, dog. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in effect with another reaction video. Wait, first of all, if you see a name, big up yourself. Thanks for supporting your boy. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Comment on this video to see a name. In the next video, you comment in the next video I post. Right now, we have Vybz Kartel, Run Dancehall, official order feature Lisa Mercedez. I don't know that person, but let's see what the person is. A girl, I guess. But let's know. What people want to do right now, I subscribe to the channel. And if you're new, we do the most lit music video reactions around here. So you don't hear about me yet. If you never hear about me, trust me, go check out the channel. You see me, I say? The most lit music video reactions, them the most lit Clash man them call me. Reaction boss them call me. Just subscribe to the channel. Go see what I'm going for Vybz Kartel right now. The me I say, run dancehall. Run tune. Let down play.
Yeah, JB.
Yeah?
You them have things.
I mean?
Damn.
Nah, like that. First of all, the instrumental are going to bag of chips already. It sounds like some bad gun tune. It's just the people dead right now. We don't know how to go. We don't know what to expect. Oh, if you never know, sang them, I don't listen to them, or until I do the reaction or a music with them, I don't watch it until I do a music with the song. First time I hear a track. You dig me? And right now, it sounds like a bag of chips to go on.
Alright. Coming soon. Right. Like every picnic we got to know. Can't stop. And the teacher, big up Vaxa.
Big up, don't know, big up Vaxa. I'm to my school. I'm to my bad people in school. I'm to the normal high school. Bad people school. I want to tell you. Oh, joke. My school a good school, not a bad people school. A good school. I'm to my nice, clean school. Normally high school. But big up to another one and Vaxa and big up. Run tune.
Me nah have no time for drills. Me nah love frap steel. Coulda even we a go have frap steel.
Man step up on him and say me no time for chase. He nah like frap steel. I mean say man no girl. He no time to chase with no artist boy. The man say me no time to chase no man. But them going up them mouth. Him nah chase with no man. Him them own a lane. I was a boom man. I hold him little vibes. And then me I say him nah like no frap steel. Him nah do nothing little. You dig me? Run tune!
P-mail, want me contact at mail.com. Now your gal what the cash pad clear.
Bomba now, wait now, it's the lyrics. At mail.com. You know your gal. Bomba please! Look how much, you see how much the man I want, look into that. At mail, that I want email something with that. At mail.com. Instead of just saying at mail.com, you talk about him and say no, .com, that means .com in your gal. No. Bomba class! Yo, 10,000 blank now. Boom, boom! Yo! Run tune!
Rise, man, me tell the boy we man skiller than a killer when he mouth bomb beer.
Bomba clad! Man say me tell the boy we. The man say me skiller than a killer when they out from beer. You know what I mean? You know they like me out from Kartel for drop a song. If you say Kartel that way from little clash thing for done for you know. Because you know so when clash are going to dance and no people. That thing will take over everything we are going right now. That Clash take over everything we are going. That Clash take over everything. Everybody focus, our viewers focus upon the Clash. You see me? Every artist a drop song during the rehearsal, no song a real drop during the Clash, little Clash thing go on. No artist a real drop no song. But run tune.
Your house pass here, with your wife all your pick me just can't feel. Then could be me adapt to a 3D. They could pick me, a greet me like me a key tree.
Boom, boom, you're on free at Vybz Kartel. I want to see BFI emoji right now down below in the comment section. BFI emoji from the rate Vybz Kartel right now. And if you rate that song, just like the video. We'll try to get 100 likes on that video. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it. Alright, run tune, chat too much. Sing a bad though.
The woman say them need the deal, the sweet. Young girl like a cup for teacher to beat me. The
man say young girl like a cup for teacher to beat me. Yo! Yo! I'm calm down myself. What me I go on so far? DJ I sweat. That's like your boy run tune.
Here go radio stadium, the alien here no stay no where you real no. The status famous virus, catty rate up. The dangerous cables
When get that's where you're from now. The amount of flow with someone I really have it no brother. The man change the flow so regular brother you still don't see a cartel. I say, yo. Like something there, my music video, I'm the react to, I'm the react to sick around music video no people, but guess what I got to do? Watch it before I turn on my camera. I know say anytime I tell you anytime I do that, I'm not like react to it. I like when I react to something for the first time. You did me I say I watch it, we don't know, I'm a first time. I say when I got the first impression that I'm go watch it. But I white name, sick around song. Let's see if there's some. I remember white name, but I know I can watch it. You remember one Kartel song, brother? At the end of the video, I go find it and play it for me. But you remember one Kartel song that straight up. But run tune though.
clear no days.
The world boss can't stall you. Are they the king and him a run dance all? Are they the king?
Hold on, Lisa Mercedez. I saw she run back in that tune. More when she jump in and chat. More what she say. More what she deal with. You did me I say. So she say, hold on, the real boss can't stall. Alright, I see what she say. Run it now.
Are they the king and him a run dance all? Are they the king and him a run dance all? Are they the king and him a run?
I mean, girl, jump on the track and date. When the people know your name, make your name, baby girl. Although I don't know it's let me say I make your name right now. I hear you. Your voice sound rough. You see me? I say that's like you are ready. You're ready for run dance in the girl section right now. Lisa Mercedez, do your thing, girl. Yeah, do your thing, baby. Boom. Run tune.
Dance all. The world boss can't stall you. Are they the king and him a run dance all? Are they the king and him a run dance all?
Yeah, I mean, it's like you know, who sang that? Dancehall and me everything. Dancehall. Oh, that's like the name people. Drop it down in the comment section. I don't know. I remember it. Dancehall and me everything. Dancer. Yeah, sometimes I think about something you can't remember it, brother. Call me. Yesterday, this man reacted to something like that. Chopper 6 by Gold God. Brother, I know that I'm going to try to remember client canvas and I can't do it. I'm not talk about that. Video up and chill right now. You can't go pretty. It's a music video reaction. I'm drop it today. I'm going to miss it. I'm not talk about that. Run through. Why you answer baby?
Up to the time, same way. Me, I run the university world of mine. Same way. Big up every DJ.
Hold on there. Big up every DJ, but hold on there. That's how she do that song. I hope she have a verse for herself. I don't want she just come give you a little chorus up. You hear me? I want she have a verse. Kartel, get the boss, man. Get the boss. Man, she take the bus go down a town, man. She take the bus go half a tree, man. She take the bus go right this road, man. You see me? I say, but run it on door. Big up every DJ, him say.
Yeah, every DJ. 90% that know what my DNA talk true. We come from a sperm and a egg, but a bad.
Yeah, the man say a while ago. The man say 90% of Uno. 90% of the DJ them. A film DNA. One thing about that, I like my talk facts and my talk truth. You matter lie, my talk truth. People. Talk facts. Talk facts, road boy, talk facts. No. Yo, clashing bad in that. We miss it clashing in that. We want clash. Hello, quarantine soon done stuff for me. I know about una Jamaica, but quarantine is done next week. This week, basically. Run through, me chat too much.
Mine boy is a slime same way. God panic, camera, the crime tape play. Fucking need that you do it in the USA. Grand bag.
What I'm saying though? Run on, man. Adi, Africa run. Africa just touch back in the sun a little bit. You can't chat so much lyrics and me not hear what you say, bro, God. I am a bad artist. Hold on, man. Hold on. Hey, me tell you now, so my review on Kartel song. Me not care if the video go over 10 or 30 minutes. You don't know the chap already, you know. Because I want everything what I have to say, you know. Me not like make extra long videos and I will, but you don't know the chap. Ready now, me what I say now.
Grand bag of recharge up my mad brains and I want it on the Gaza with a bag of bad slave. No remarks.
The man say a grand bag of recharge up in bad brain. Hold on, me not even say no foolishness, people. More you must say.
Grand bag of recharge up my mad brains and I want it on the Gaza with a bag of bad slave. No.
The man say a bag of bad slave, a slave. And I hope I don't slave me a while ago. My man say a grand bag of weed charge up in mad brain. But your people for like that say you want to drop B again drop B if I emoji down below in the comment section if you read that Sanya. You know me I say? And for read Kartel just like the video, we are going for 100 likes on that video, yeah. And subscribe for the new because we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers for the year, yeah. The goal for this year is 10k. Last month goal is 6k, I'm mash up that. You know me I say? Now for the year, 10k we are going for. So like the video and subscribe. Because who are going on, man?
We mask like the man where rap grave, man grave. Why you wanna see your brother down rap grave? I the no Rolex, me no watch face. If you
Bumbleclad, the man say I get a Rolex. We are no watch face, dog. Bumbleclad. And that he was saying me, me say, yo, man a Rolex. Me say now watch no man face. You now watch no man then basically. You see me say now watch nobody else like do. If you don't understand the lyrics, I'm try to put forth to you. Bumbleclad. Yo, me say if you don't like that tune, you dog, want to see BFI emoji right now in the comment section, dog. Bumbleclad. We are going for 100 likes in the button. Surprise me. Give me like 10,000 likes on that video. Run tune.
clean, me will help you. Me got grace, but me got bad ways as well. I still clap, make boy head back swell. Yo, the world boss can.
I can't believe that alone baby girl come by and chat come to me. Not like that. That's like a bad. Yo, as Tamil would say, be a badness. Yo, be a badness. Run through. We got halfway there, second dog. Halfway, run through.
Dancehall, you want the king and him a run dancehall. The king.
Email want me contact at mail.com. Now your girl what the cash pot play.
Nah, break that up party dog. At mail now your girl.com cash pot and that's how the pot play. That bad dog. Me know how think of right that but listen. You can't write it out right now dog. You can quite you know. Hotmail.com. That's just that's hotmail.com and the whole hotmail side that you know. Hotmail.com and then you add the Jamaican to it now. In your girl. So that come in your girl. Take off the hotmail off right. That come in your girl. Bumbleclad. Yo. A bad blood clip. Yo, the carry put cartel. John was star.
At the rise, let me tell the boy. Man skiller than a killer when he mouth bomb beer. Better dangerous gear, but spear and the dancehall. The world boss.
Song don't star. John, one thing more that song. One thing more my video. If you like the reaction boss video them, trust me, you're not gonna regret it, dog. Subscribe to the channel right now if you don't subscribe it and like the video, dog. Because trust me. Just trust me. Trust me. I post every day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times for the day. See me? We just reach home from work and we work at 9 to 5 job same. But when we reach 10K, that's something different, man. I post 10 videos a day because I don't do the more work. YouTube thing them, man. Yo, just subscribe to the channel and support the Jamaican boy people. You understand me? We have a goal and I work towards the goal. You see me I say? Do me? Nah, beg nobody not work for one thing, you know. Yeah, man. Up and out. You got your blood clean set. Gaza. Everybody to put. Hey. Everybody go. Hey, somebody still watching me to that party, huh? Want your comment? 1. What if you still watching me to that party? Comment 1. Just comment number 1 in the comment section. Confuse the crowd. Make everybody wonder why them I comment 1. Them watch the video. You're a real supporter. Big up yourself. Still chat in the video. Me don't react it. Me don't react. That's a bill. Me the partner ends and I kick back. You man, Mr. No BS did black. Lord clean. We sing too more content so yeah man. One month I know me post a video upon time and the song just dropping and one born the first person them for drop the review. But hold on man. Pool party. If I eat with the beach, me have to reach. Hey, a summertime. Every I pick. Hey. Boom! Yeah, me know. Them not ready for you. Them not ready. Yo! Hold on. Where I wanna go? Alright. Oh. Be loved. Be loved. Anybody get. Alright, no, hold on. You need to turn off the camera. I need to forget the video now. I need to forget the bomber clip video now, dog. The boy girl walk out and I cry. Hey, she said the boy and all lift her up. Aye. Let me know. Back it up on the dumper truck. Turn round for the that. Hey, your butt is blood. Hey, say good lad, the ice in the freezer. What about the time? That's thing like a easier. Ice but the flow more easier. If you see a lucky, you get back my visa. Bumbleclad. Bang. Which tune now? Alright. Which tune? Me know. You know what? Me feel so high, weed make me get high, alright. Hey black girl, hey brown girl, how you feeling? Everybody feel. Like St. Thomas to the teach feel. Like Waterford to Cumberland. Yeah, me know. Bonus clip cause me want get high, so me target the moon, but the target I smoke up in the room, so yeah get. Oh yeah. Look at it and say, oh yeah. Top floor. Me know. Bumbleclad. And for the girls, I'm say, fever, paya puna. Wine for me, baby. Everything, Chris. My good love make you turn and twist. Ladies, tick, tock, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Kang. Yo! Give me the Benz banana, make me go and drive it out. A taxi pump guanga cola. Give me the Benz banana, make me go and drive it out. A taxi pump guanga cool. Hey, 50 man I run down the cab. Hey, that means you pump my tax. You know, so if you get it that video, when you forget it that video, guess what, people? I'm out.